This is not a motorcycle, it's a monster. 2026 Triumph Rocket 3R 2500 shocks the world. What if the most insane production motorcycle on the planet just got even bigger, even more powerful, and even more unbelievable? Meet the 2026 Triumph Rocket 3R 2500, a machine that doesn't just break the rules of motorcycling, it completely destroys them. The moment you hear 2500cc, you already know this isn't normal, this isn't a cruiser, this isn't a naked bike, this is something else entirely. A mechanical monster built for one purpose: to dominate everything in its path. And here's the crazy part. Triumph didn't tone it down, they pushed it further. More power, more torque, more attitude. This is the kind of bike that makes even experienced riders stop and think twice. So the question is this still a motorcycle? Or has it become something else entirely? Because once you understand what this machine is capable of, there's no going back. Let's talk about the heart of the 2026 Triumph Rocket 3R 2500, because this is where things get absolutely insane. A massive 2500cc inline 3-cylinder engine sits at the center of this beast, delivering numbers that feel almost unreal. We're talking about over 180 horsepower and an insane level of torque that hits instantly. Twist the throttle, and the bike doesn't just accelerate, it launches. This isn't gradual power, this is explosive, immediate force that pushes you back with authority, and yet, somehow it's still smooth, controlled, refined. This is engineering at its absolute peak. Triumph didn't just build a big engine, they built a usable one, and that's what makes it so dangerous and so addictive. Here's the thing about the 2026 Triumph Rocket 3R 2500. It's not just powerful, it's overwhelming. The torque delivery is unlike anything you've ever experienced on two wheels. It doesn't matter what gear you're in, it doesn't matter what speed you're at. Twist the throttle, and it pulls. Hard. This is the kind of power that makes every ride feel intense. Every acceleration feels dramatic. And yet, it's not chaotic. It's controlled. Predictable. This is what happens when extreme performance meets precision engineering. And once you feel it, everything else feels slow. Let's be honest. The 2026 Triumph Rocket 3R 2500 looks as insane as it performs. Massive engine, muscular stance, aggressive lines. This is a bike that demands attention. It doesn't just sit there, it dominates the space around it. Every detail feels bold, intentional, and powerful. This isn't subtle design, it's unapologetic. And when you see it on the road, there's no mistaking what it is. This is presence. This is attitude. This is Triumph, at its most extreme. You might expect a bike like this to be impossible to handle, but the 2026 Triumph Rocket 3R 2500 surprises you. Thanks to advanced chassis engineering and high-end components, it feels more manageable than you'd expect. It's stable, controlled, and surprisingly responsive. But make no mistake, this is still a powerful machine. It demands respect, and that's what makes it so exciting. This isn't a beginner bike. This is a machine for riders who know what they're doing and want something more. With great power comes the need for control, and the 2026 Triumph Rocket 3R 2500 delivers. Advanced electronics, multiple riding modes, traction control, and high-performance braking systems all work together to keep this beast in check. This isn't just about power, it's about control. And Triumph has made sure you have it. Despite its extreme nature, The 2026 Triumph Rocket 3R 2500 doesn't forget about comfort. The riding position is balanced, the seat is supportive, and the overall ergonomics are designed for real-world riding. This isn't just a showpiece, it's a bike you can actually ride, and that makes it even more impressive. Here's the surprising part. The 2026 Triumph Rocket 3R 2500 can actually be used in everyday situations. It's smooth, manageable, and surprisingly refined. But let's be honest, this isn't what it's built for. This is a machine designed to excite, to thrill, and to push limits. And that's exactly what it does. So who is the 2026 Triumph Rocket 3R 2500 really for? It's for experienced riders who want the ultimate power experience. It's for those who aren't satisfied with normal. It's for riders who want something extreme, something unforgettable. And if that sounds like you, this might be your dream machine. So here's the final question. Is the 2026 Triumph Rocket 3R 2500 too much? For some riders, yes. But for others, it's perfect. This is a motorcycle that doesn't compromise. It doesn't hold back. It delivers everything it promises, and more. And in a world where motorcycles are becoming more refined and controlled, this one reminds us what raw power really feels like.